Hello, 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 food lovers. So today we are back in the kitchen in Rose Recipes to see the Hyderabadi red chicken, the red gravy chicken, which is usually cooked in Hyderabadi marriages or Hyderabadi events by the chefs themselves. Is the most one of the most tastiest dish from the Hyderabadi table. So let's see what's going on here. What do we need with it? We need 1 kg of whole chicken cut into small pieces and clean off the fat, washed, cleaned up, ready to mix with the other ingredients. And if you can see, the first ingredient that goes in it is 15 almonds and 12 cashews. So the first step is to um, roast these set of almonds and cashews and then grind them in the grinder and keep the mixture ready. So if you can see, it will look like this after roasting it and grinding it in a grinder. So let's see what else do we need with this recipe. So Miss Rose, can you please walk us through what else goes into this recipe? First ingredient that's going to go into chicken is a mixture of cashews and almonds.
नेक्स्ट वाला है 1 tablespoon of red chili powder.
Cool. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. So please remember, guys, there are two different types of spoons. The one on the right is known as tablespoon, and the one on the left is known as teaspoon. So whenever we say tablespoon, we mean the right one, and whenever we say teaspoon, we mean the left one.
Turmeric half tablespoon.
So we need turmeric half tablespoon.
Coriander powder 1 teaspoon.
Coriander powder 1 teaspoon.
Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon.
Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon.
Black pepper powder half teaspoon.
Cool.
And salt 1.5 teaspoon.
Awesome.
1 tablespoon red chili sauce.
Awesome. So it's red chili sauce, right?
Right. 1 tablespoon green chili sauce.
Cool. They both look yummy, man.
And 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup.
Awesome.
And 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste.
Great. So that's red one is ketchup and then ginger garlic paste.
Yes. And 200 grams of curd. Nearly 200 grams.
Wow. 200. Around 200 grams of curd.
और ये रेड चिकन है इसीलिए थोड़ा सा रेड फूड कलर 2 pinches of red food color.
Sounds good. 2 pinches of red color.
और इसको अच्छा मिला लेंगे.
So that's all we need as a ingredients part of this dish. I hope that's a very small list for you guys. And now she is mixing it thoroughly.
और इसको 1 hour के लिए फ्रिज में मैरिनेशन के लिए रख देना.
So after mixing it, she is going to keep it aside so that it gets marinated properly. And then
For 1 hour.
you can keep it in a fridge or outside fridge, wherever you need. For 1 hour, it needs to marinate properly so that the juices from all these ingredients can enter the chicken itself. So guys, welcome back to Rose Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new recipe is uploaded. And also, please don't forget to hit that like button. So now, if you can see, we marinated the chicken and kept it on for 1 hour. And now, welcome back after 1 hour. This is how it looks like after 1 hour. So if you can see, Miss Imrose is putting 1 spoon or 1.5 spoon of olive oil into the pan. So if you can see, she is adding a teaspoon of black cumin, 3 to 4 of cardamoms, 3 to 4 of cloves, and 2 small pieces of the cinnamon bark into the oil which we just added into the pan.
2 small onions.
Wow. 2 small onions, chopped onions.
Few curry leaves or green chili.
Couple of curry leaves and couple of green chili. I love this sound. And the smell. I love the sizzle. So you need to stir that mixture, the onion, till it's golden brown. Wow. So it looks like our onion is getting a golden brown color. So guys, till it gets this color, please remember that the marination you prepared, you need to add the red chilies, red chili and salt as per your needs, as per your taste. So you don't have to stick to what is mentioned in this video. If you eat more of that stuff, you can add more of it, and if you eat less of that stuff, you can add less of it. Even the oil. So now, if you can see that it's light golden brown, and now it's the time to add our marinated chicken into the pan. Ooh, going to be so tasty. I can't wait for it. All right. So mix it well into the pan with the onion and the other green chili, the cardamoms,
medium flame.
the cloves.
Keep it on medium flame for 10 minutes.
All right, so you have to keep it on medium speed, stove speed, for 10 to 15 minutes. Try to cover it with a lid, but not completely. You can leave a gap open for the smoke to escape. So my friends, welcome back. So during those 10 to 15 minutes where it's kept for simmer, so that on a medium heat so that all the juices get well simmer into the chicken. You need to um, keep mixing the chicken into those juices, the marination you just created, and mixed it with onions, the cilantro, the green chilies. So every couple of minutes during those 15 minutes, try to mix everything inside that pan. So my friends, welcome back. So we are done simmering this on medium heat for 15 minutes. Now let's see what are we going to do next.
Few coriander leaves.
Wow, we are going to add coriander leaves,
Mint leaves.
mint leaves,
And a half lemon juice.
Half lemon juice?
woo!
That's a nice one. A little half lemon.
So my friends, after putting mint leaves, coriander leaves and the lemon, you have to mix it well so that the lemon juice gets soaked into this mixture. Now you can leave this cooking on the medium heat till the entire water evaporates, and around I can say around 20 to 30% depending on the consistency of the liquid you like is left into your dish, which means the other 70 to 80% of the water should evaporate and your chicken becomes softer, and then the leftover 20 to 30% of the water will make it a liquid gravy into the chicken so that can be eaten with your bread and the rice. So my friends, if you can look at the dish, it's so exciting, it's so colorful, it's getting the red color, and the water has evaporated almost to 50% and the other 50% is left, and you need to let it go till it reaches the 20% of the water is left, which makes a gravy in your red chicken, and you have to put it on the low heat. Please remember, move it from the medium heat to the low heat. The more slow you cook this, the more tastier it becomes. The more juices enter into the chicken, the more juicier the chicken becomes. And then the chicken also becomes more softer. So now you need to cook this till till the consistency you need for more 10 to 15 minutes, and then start eating. Yeah. Well, what do we have here? The red chicken gravy, which is most popular dish in Hyderabadi cuisine and events, is ready to serve, baby. If you can see, the consistency should come to this level. Now it can be topped with coriander and the mint leaves and a little bit of lemon if people like some tanginess into the sauce of this red gravy chicken. And this can be served with rice, or this can be served with naan, butter naan, roti, chapati, paratha, anything you like. This is the gravy which can go with any of the carbs you need to have. So, alright my friends, I hope you like it, and please, one more last request, please subscribe, to our channel Rose Recipes and hit that bell icon and hit the like button before you leave the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have fun.